Hi, my name is Denise Chambers. I'm a real estate agent in South Florida. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can call me at any time, email, text. The information is in the description below because I'm here for you. Now I'm in the city of Miramar. Not just anywhere in Miramar, but East Miramar. Why I love this? Because of the price point for the homes, and you don't have to think about HOA. So take a look at this neighborhood. Take a look, take a look, take a look, take a look, take a look at this neighborhood. So I'm going to take you on a drive-through tour now, and I'm also going to show you one of the homes that are in this neighborhood. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and the average price point, you're looking at about $300,000 all the way up to $350,000, depending on your likes. So come along as we take a quick tour of this neighborhood.
When all you need is a friend, no, I won't ever hear excuses. Yeah, we're in this till the end.
So we're heading closer to East Miramar. Now, most of East Miramar is closer to, depending on where you're at, it's closer to like the Turnpike. And east of the Turnpike, you will definitely find like the 95, which is another like thoroughway highway. Miramar East, you'll definitely find more of the older homes. It's more like an older community. And here you will find homes that were built from 1955. That's when, you know, the city was incorporated at that time. In 2018, they had, I think, about 130,000 residents here in the city of Miramar. So we're heading east to see exactly what type of homes in East Miramar that are available, and also to see not just the homes, but you get an idea of the price point. And you can find some in the higher 200,000 price point, like 280 to 290 price point, depending on what you are looking for. Some of these single family homes, you will definitely not see any HOA attached to those properties. So we're going to do a quick drive through and you'll see. Now Miramar, especially Miramar East, is smacked in between communities such as Miami Gardens, Pembroke Pines, Pembroke Pines, Hollywood, North Miami Beach or North Miami, and Fort Lauderdale. You're close to Fort Lauderdale as well. So this is one of the major intersections that we're coming up on, which is University Drive. I'm not sure if you can see the signs. It says 95 and Turnpike, so you're pretty close to these areas. So we're going to turn on University now. University. And there is a mini airport known as Perry Airport. I'm turning south to my immediate right is an airport known as Perry Airport. So we're heading into Miramar. I like Miramar because Miramar has a lot of cultural activities. You know, especially if you're from the Caribbean, they have cultural different festivals that they have, and so I like that as well. So that's it. Let's see. So this is Denise. I promise you that I'll take you on a tour of East Miramar. I'm smack in East Miramar, and this is the home that I wanted to show you as quickly as possible. Let me see if I can turn it around. So there you have it. I just gave you a quick tour of East Miramar in South Florida. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, do not hesitate to email, text, or call me. I'm here for you.